This is what I came for. An Arctic for that. Still, I get paid either way. Oh well, I think someone may have cocked up on the measurements there or the amounts, but it is. Right, good morning people, how are we? I hope we are well. We are on Monday morning, very early Monday morning. It's 25 past midnight, Sunday night stroke Monday morning, makes sense. We have got a 3 AM collection from White City in London, and we need to get that delivered into Kent for 9 AM. We're on a curtain today, which is unusual. We're not always, or very rarely, going a curtain, so tells you the load's going to be a little bit different and probably take a little bit longer to load. And as you can see today, we're on a different position with the camera. I'm just trying to experiment a little bit with the camera to see how varied I can make it, I suppose. So yeah, so the idea is to go and put some diesel in at the services. We do have enough to get the job done, but I've got times on my side, so I may as well go and use that time very wisely. So I've had sleep, I'm all good. However, wouldn't hurt to get a few hours more once we get tips. Well, anyway, join me this week, see how we get on. We are getting busier as the weeks and days go on, so hopefully there will be more to show you. So, just before we do go, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Why wouldn't you? Leave any comments, any likes, all welcome, all answered. So now I can add the OSHA and I can say I will talk to you a little bit later. So over and out for now, guys. Oh, good morning, good evening, I don't know what it is. So it's 10 past 12 Tuesday morning, Monday night, if you want to call it that. So I think the last time we spoke, I was telling you about a job I was doing, going to Westfields in London at 3 o'clock Monday morning, so 24 hours ago, 25 hours ago. We've done that job. We collected that and we delivered it at 9 o'clock this morning as planned. I then told the office I was finished, I was cleared, so I started heading back. Got a notification on the way back saying go and park up, you're doing the same again this evening. So here we are, Beaconsfield Services, been here since around about 12:30 this afternoon, so a good 12 hours. And we are going to be leaving here in about an hour and a half, 2 o'clock in the morning, straight run down, do a collection and then back into Kent to deliver. They don't mind me filming, so I will be doing some filming later on this evening or in the morning, collecting and delivering. I'm hoping. It's just a bit hard really doing the delivery of collecting and that with you on the curtain, but I think I'll find somewhere safe to put it so I can open the curtain up, do what we got to do, put some lights on and all that sort of malarkey. So I think we'll be all right there. Just released the video, came out yesterday. Just want to say thank you to everybody that's watched it. Absolutely amazed. Got 1,200 views in the one day. I was absolutely chuffed. I got about 16 additional subscribers off the one video, so I don't know if it's because of the title saying I quit my job. And if you don't know what I'm talking about and you are new to the channel, somewhere around here, go and check it out. Again, thank you very much if you are watching these shorts and you're watching the channel and you're subscribing and you're enjoying. So we're going to go now. I'm going to go and have a shower, make a cup of tea, brush my teeth, usual stuff that you do in the morning, but only it's night time and you're probably all in bed right now as I'm talking. But it is what it is. Shower time, and that most important thing, a cup of tea. Gotta have a cup of tea. So I'll keep you updated, I'll keep you posted, and let's go and see if we can film some outdoor stuff. Over and out for now, guys. Cold, people. It's freaking cold. Right, we're all ready, we're all geared up, just got to get the straps out. Once I see what we got, I'm going to have a little walk over and see what there is. There we are, 3 o'clock in the morning. Right. Oh. There we are, over there. Right, over and out for now. So, how do I say this? I'll just show you. This is what I came for. An Arctic for that. Still, I get paid either way. Oh well, I think someone may have cocked up on the measurements there or the amounts, but it is what it is. I'm gonna shut it all up now, which I'll let you see. How about that? that is us done, loaded, strapped down and all good for travel. So adios, and we'll talk to you in a bit. Morning all, once again. Oh, what day are we on? Jesus. So we've just tipped in Kent again. I think we're on Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. So yeah, I've just tipped, and I didn't show it because if you remember, I shown you what we loaded with. It was freaking freezing here, so I didn't get the camera out, I didn't put it down, anything. So when I finished filming last night, the camera froze, literally almost froze. It was freezing. So today or this morning is actually colder, so I decided not to get the camera out and do it for the sake of literally 2 minutes offloading. As it stands right now, I'm going to assume I'm going to go back to the office or to the yard. Failing that, who knows, I'm sure I'll keep you updated and with what's going on. But in the meantime, we're going to be getting out of here very, very shortly. Anyway, right, so yeah, we're going to be waiting for further instructions. Once we get our instructions, we are going to adios out of here and hopefully back to the yard. So I will catch you very soon, hopefully. Over and out for now, guys. Morning guys, welcome to Friday. We are leaving the yard. Time is 25 past 10. Heading on down to Portsmouth to do a collection to bring back here to then run it into London on Sunday. So nice and cold outside, everybody. It has been freezing. Luckily for us now it's only -1, but I have a bit of sympathy for the guys we've got down in Davos in Switzerland at the moment. They're only on -15. Don't know what they're moaning about, to be fair. Get on with it. No, to be fair, take that back. You know what, -15, ouch. This brings me to say thank you to everyone who's watching. I want to say a huge thank you. So the video that I released last week that said I quit my job, although people might see it as clickbait, I can assure you it wasn't, because I did leave my job. I just didn't say on the title that I retracted it. So anyway, since that video went out and aired, my channel has gone, for me, I'm going to say it's gone crazy in a good way. So I started off that day with 709 subscribers, and the best views I had was 170 something for a long time, due to, I'm guessing, my videos being crap. But this one was a bit different. This one, so far, we are on Friday, we have got 3,100 views on the video, which I'm absolutely amazed with, and my subs are now 779. I don't mind the moaning as long as it's constructive, not a negative personal sort of dig at me, which is not fair, because I'm doing this because I enjoy it, not because I'm being paid for it. I don't get paid a penny. I do all this through my enjoyment. I give up my family time for my enjoyment, for people to watch. You know, so the last thing we need is hassle. So I would appreciate it if you don't give us hassle. Just be nice to us. We're trying to make videos for you guys, and we just don't want negative, bad, personal comments. Negative comments that's constructive, open all day long for me. Open all hours for that sort of stuff, not personal digs. It's just not fair. On that, there is my thank you. I'm honoured and amazed on how many people have been watching. Thank you very much. And to all those new subscribers, 70 odd of them, oh my god, I thank you so much. I honestly do. And let's hope you like much more. But in the meantime, why don't you go back through and check out my back catalogue. There's a link there right now above my head somewhere. Go and check it out. There you go, there's video number 1. Go and start with that. Right, we are here, I believe end of the yard or end of the road, turn right in the yard. Am I going through them gates or am I stopping just before?
No, because we're in this warehouse here. Keep going a little bit.
Do you want me to go more over there on an angle then?
No, we'll bring it out on the forks. About where you are, we'll probably do it.
Alright.